Today I got the notification from SEMrush from their app that there is a 2 keyword that has been declining, and I also got the email. If I show you the email, here it is, the notification of rank change, which is down to 2 keywords and by 2 positions. And in this video I'm going to tell you how you can gain these keywords back to their original position and even improve that further with the help of content audit tool by Surfer SEO. So why we are going to use that particular tool and why you need to do and what you need to do to gain your position back. So hey guys, my name is Raman and welcome to Kwebby digital channel, and as I've said in this video we are going to gain positions of our declining keywords for our particular website. Let me give a disclaimer that I don't do SEO much for my own website, but I will be doing in upcoming days to cover some case studies. So in this video what we are going to do is I'm going to win back the position of these keywords with the help of content audit. Now there is a thing that you must be wondering, how to improve your ranking from the declining keywords. So there is 2 aspects of it. First is obviously on page and the second is the off page. Off page is all about the backlinks there, how you can build backlinks or get recognition from third-party website. And in this particular video we are only going to talk about the on page. And for the on page we have a tool called getsemrush.com, and if you don't know about the getsemrush.com, then you should sign up for the free account or give a trial for 7 days. You will be amazed by its features and the data it provides. So here I have already signed up for keyword positioning, and I will create another video for keyword position, how you can track your keywords and get notified from the app and also from the email that I've already got, just like this. So what you need to do is, if I give you an overview, just go to the position rankings here, set up your domain, and you will be good to go. So that's the one part. And the second part is optimize one of these keywords that has been declining. So here it's 2 URL or 2 keywords, which is desktop app for Instagram. So this is a informative blog for this particular keyword and it has been declined for the 2. There must be reason. One must be the reason that there must be an update to this particular section, and there must be a competitor that has been rising for this particular keyword. And second is convert PNG to TXT file. So there is a tool that we already use for this. As you can see here, there is a PNG to TXT converter tool which we have on our website. So here I'm going to audit this particular page with the help of Surfer SEO audit tool. So now you must be wondering why we need to use Surfer SEO's content audit tool. Why not the audit tool by the SEMrush? Thing is, SEMrush don't have a content audit tool. Okay, so SEMrush does have on page SEO checker, but it doesn't audit one URL, but it does audit or give you the insights of all the URLs on your website, all the content on your website, and give you insights which URL you must work on to get more traffic from the Google. So there's no content audit tool from SEMrush for this. So that's why you need to find a tool that can actually audit your content and give you an insights how you can actually improve that. And for this particular reason we will be using Surfer SEO. And for the Surfer SEO there is part of audit, and here if you just log into it and just sign up for the free account, just follow the link in the description box and get the trial account, and you will also love. If your content marketing is main goal, then Surfer SEO should be in your pocket, because this is amazing tool, and trust me, I have gained so much traffic for my client using this tool, and we have already done the review what it does in a video which you can find in the link in the description box. And here you need to input your URL, the URL for which your keywords are declining. I've already done that, and you need to put the keyword. And for the keyword part I need to put the declining one, which is the convert PNG to text here, and there we go. So convert PNG to text is here, and we can create an audit. I've already created audit, and here it is. So here what it gives is improve content score by at least 28 for the best result. And to improve the content score we need to open a content editor, and here it is the content editor tool. And if we provide, or you can easily import content from the URL, and if we provide a URL of here just like this, and we need to provide the keyword also just like this, just create a content editor, and it will tell you how and which keywords you must inject into your content to create a more appealing or more competitive to Google. Okay, so which we have already discussed in the past. And there is not this only the content score, there is much more information you may get using Surfer SEO. And there is a missing backlinks. If you show missing backlinks, there is a different type of suggestions you may get in this particular tool. Just go up with it and you will be able to good to go. But I know to build the backlinks, we have already have 2 or 3 videos how to gain more traffic from the Google, so we won't be giving much of importance to this. So there's the internal links. Obviously internal links is definitely a vital part of your on page optimization, and here you need to add these internal links to this particular page to have more weightage to your page, and obviously related to these specific URLs. And there's a terms to use. So term to use we will be doing with the help of the content editor, so don't care about that. And there's a word count. So there is a word count of need to be 445 to 876 should be word in body, and add 50 to 106 words in H2 to H3 in the headings part, and add this much in the paragraphs. So that's it. So exact keywords, obviously add one exact keyword in title, like convert PNG to text should be your exact keyword. So we won't be adding that in our title because the title itself says PNG to text file converter, so we won't be adding that. Obviously it depends on pages to pages or niche to niche or the content you are working on. If you can replace that, do it, it will help you do. So do follow these guidelines. I won't be doing this in this video because it will take an hour to create or optimize my content. Just go with it, just see how you can improve your page structure, partial keywords and exact keywords, word count, and the terms to use in your content. And in the content editor here, you will be amazed by the result it gives. You need to form the content around it, where we already done the video. Here you will find that where we have already done how you can improve or write SEO friendly blog post using Surfer SEO. So after you have done with these particular steps, and you will be amazed with this result. Just give it a 1 week or 2, you might get your ranking back. So now there's one more tip I'm going to add into this particular video. So see, Google may take time to scrape your URL again. Obviously it needs to scrape your URL such that it will tell that this particular content has been modified, and for this part you need to have an HTML sitemap. Okay, and for the HTML sitemap I've already done this video in the previous videos, that how to build one. Just go there and watch that how to build a sitemap. And after you build a HTML sitemap, that's the one thing you can do to optimize that. Okay, and the second is you need to create more content around this particular keyword. For example, here this is the tool PNG to text, and I have a declining keyword for this particular page that was convert PNG to text file. And now I don't have any blog or I don't have any content supports to that particular keyword and a tool. And now what I can do is I can leverage my blog section to create one more blog that tells how to convert PNG to other formats, and in that particular formats I can add to TXT file, to Kwebby and much more. And then I will add an internal link into that particular blog post. Okay, now for example, here is my blog post, and now here I will add an internal link like in the more resources, how to convert that. And what it does is it's a new blog, and when I submit that blog or publish that blog, and your sitemap will get updated into Google Search Console, and when Google sends its bot to this particular page, they will click all your internal links and see that those pages gets updated, and in the end your main page will get updated and your ranking will go to the original position that it was there a few days ago. And that's what you can do to gain your ranking. So that's this pro tip, you can easily gain that. And one more pro tip I'm going to add is to build to get more backlinks to this particular keyword. And for this part you have already know how to do it, and if you don't, then you can follow 2 or 3 videos of mine where you will be easy to do it. And following these steps you will be able to get your declining keywords to this original position and may gain a bump to this particular keyword. You will be amazed by the result in the end. So that's about it. If you like this video, do click the like button and do test that out on your website. and trust me, it works like a charm. If you want to learn a trick like this in the future, just click on the subscribe button, and if you want to share this to your colleague, to your friends, you have a share button. So don't forget to subscribe because there are much more content coming into this channel. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.